Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use qualifiers in DaVinci Resolve. Qualifiers are powerful tools that let you select and isolate specific colors or luminance values within your image. This enables you to make highly targeted adjustments, like changing the color of a shirt or brightening a specific skin tone, without impacting the rest of your shot. Mastering qualifiers is a crucial step towards achieving professional-grade color correction and creative looks in your projects, giving you precise control over every pixel. The HSL qualifier is your go-to for selecting colors based on their hue, saturation, and luminance. Begin by grabbing the eyedropper and clicking on the color you wish to isolate in your footage. Then, fine-tune your selection using the dedicated hue, saturation, and luminance sliders. You can expand or narrow the range, perhaps by 10 to 20%, to precisely capture your target. Always use the highlight mode to visually confirm your matte, ensuring only the intended areas are selected for your color adjustments. For more complex and nuanced color selections, especially with challenging colors like skin tones, the 3D qualifier is incredibly effective. Unlike HSL, it creates a three-dimensional color volume, allowing for more precise isolation. Simply use the eyedropper to select your target color, and the qualifier will build a sophisticated matte. You can then refine this selection by adjusting parameters like clean black and clean white to ensure smooth, accurate edges, making it perfect for intricate grading tasks. Once you have your initial qualifier selection, it's time to refine it for a seamless look. Use the softness control to feather the edges and denoise to remove any speckles, creating a cleaner matte. Further precision can be achieved with matte finesse options, like adjusting the blur radius or clean black and clean white values. For even greater control, combine your qualifier with a power window, limiting its effect to a specific region. Now, apply your desired color corrections or effects to this perfectly isolated area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.